Hi friends, today I want to ask Georgy about one comment. It's about maybe half months ago. Comment, Georgy, please do video with tips. How others can live the dreams lifestyle in Angeles City and the player in walking street. Women want him and men won't be like him. That's why I want to ask Georgy how he live in the Angeles City. Maybe he will give some important information. That's why I want to ask him, Georgy.
First, I want to tell I don't spend much money. I live maybe I spend maybe $1,200 per month. What I want to say, it's I don't spend much money, and it's not a dream life. It's not a life I dream about. But how I take girls, for example, for 1,000. I walk on the walking street, I relaxed, I smile to everyone, and if a girl call me and look at me, smile to me, I can go to her and talk with her and ask what she want. She want to go with me or not, and offer to her 1,000. Yes. So I did not take girls, for example, who ask 3,000, who looks very, very beautiful.
So you, because if for example, if girls say to you 3,000, what you can do? You can say, I want one?
I think the girls who ask 3,000, for example, they don't smile to everyone. They don't look at me because you see I looks like gopnik. So.
No, this is t-shirt, I know, 1,500. Some of girls don't have money to buy same t-shirt.
So I take girls who already look at me, who already ready to go with me. Yes, they want to go. So it's not very beautiful girls. It's not the girls like 3,000 in the bars, maybe. So it's not very complicated. It's not too hard to take girl for 1,000 only. And I don't want to pay more because it's only one-time girl, for example.
So you not spend money to go so much?
Yes. Sometimes when I go to play billiard, I see other players. They come to the bar with girl. Next day they come with another girl. So sometimes some players go with two girls. So maybe they take girls from the bar and walk with them and go to play billiard together, buy drinks for them. So I don't do that. I don't spend money for girls. I don't drink. I don't go to the bars. So because it's not a girlfriend. So it's maybe one time I take girl, maybe two time. And
Georgy, where you find girls? Only in walking street or everywhere? In internet maybe?
In internet also. But in the walking street, maybe sometimes I sit in Kokomos. The girls who walking near Kokomos, they can look at me, they can smile and tell me I go with you. So it's easy to take girl here. It's not too hard. So that's why I don't know what to say. It's not I don't do anything.
So not need to use good clothes, so it's not problem for girl. Just only money, they need only money.
Yes, the girls who are ready to go, they go for money, yes. Sometimes I go to mega dance, for example. I go downstairs, walk, look at the girls. The girl who look at me also, I can go to her and talk with her. If she want to go with me, I take her and we go. So sometimes I do that. Easiest way is go to Phyllis bar, where girls standing near Phyllis bar, and choose girl.
But this girl, as you already know, it's not normal girl. That's why you can talk about money. But you don't have experience in this area with normal girls, with girl who don't have. You already know this girl only need money, a short time only.
Yes. These girls not normal girls.
But you want to find good girl.
Now I don't know, because I have one girl, I meet with her almost 6 months already. But yes, I pay her, but I don't have a relationship, so she don't stay with me overnight, so she only come to my room and we spend time together, and she go to home because she have a baby, so I don't talk with her too much. However, we meet already 6 months, but I don't talk too much with girls because I understand now she is not a girl I want to be with, because she already have baby. So it's not a girlfriend.
But the problem, baby is problem for you. Most of Filipinos have baby, you know.
Yes.
So if for example, very good girl, normal girl, if she have baby, you already don't want.
No. Yes, because if she already have baby or several babies, you should understand the baby, her child is the first, and I'm the second. So if she want to be with me, it's only because she want I pay for her
children.
baby, for her children, yes. So this is not a girlfriend. And when for example, when I take girls on the street, I don't talk too much. I only ask maybe 3 questions. How old are you? How many babies you have? And offer 1,000 for short time. So if it's okay for me, if her age is okay, if she tell me she have 1 baby, for example, it's okay. I go with her. I offer 1,000. Yes. If she old already, or maybe she have 3 babies or more, I don't know. Maybe not good.
Georgy, one question more. If girl say to you, I am 18 years old, you can check her ID or not?
Yes, I ask ID and I tell her if we go together, you should to leave ID at the reception. They ask ID. If she don't have ID, she cannot go to my room. So it's mandatory to have ID. I even don't need to check because they check at the reception.
So security guard at the reception can check her ID.
Yes.
And not allowed if she don't have ID.
Yes.
Okay.
So I don't know if this subscriber already was here or not, because she asked what to do to live the life I live. It's not too complicated. Maybe someone hesitate to talk with girls on the street because in his country it's not a good idea. Maybe in USA, for example, it's not a good idea to pick up girl on the street. But here it's the place where you can do it easily. So even when you walk, when you relax, when you smile to everyone, girls ask you go to our bar and tell with you first. You can easily to tell with girls and ask her, for example, if she want to go with you.
Shaira, see what you're thinking, Shaira. Interesting story, yes? Okay. Because coffee, I know. Okay, Georgy, thank you for interview. Maybe some people want to again asking you another question.
If more detailed question, I can explain. But for me, it's easy. Last time I don't take girls from the street because I have one girl, everything okay for me. She come to my room several times in a week, so I don't need to choose anyone on the street.
So most important is not spend so much money to the bars and you can live in the Philippines.
For me, yes. I don't understand why the players, billiard players in the bar where I play sometimes, why they take girls from other bars, they walking with them and they go to other bars, they buy drinks. So for what?
I think Georgy is for fun because maybe they have good salary, they want to one time a year come to the Philippines. It's just only for fun, I think. They come back to the country and work again 1 year more and again need to earn money for next trip to the Philippines. That's why they want to. Everybody is different.
Yes. If they can afford to spend money, so much money, it's okay.
You remember before, Georgy, before you always stay in 4-star hotels in Angeles City, you walk with girls,
yes.
You invite girls to the restaurants.
Yes,
Remember
I do the same mistakes, yes. I take girl, I spend time with her, and after that we go to Kokomos and eat together, talk each other. After that go again to my room and she stay until morning. But it's maybe 1 time or maybe 2 times or maximum 3 times. So it's no future with this girl. So I spend money for nothing. So
now you're more smart already.
Yes.
Okay, Georgy, thank you for interview. Soon we go to Walking Street. Shaira sleep already. Okay. Shaira, you don't want go to Walking Street? Okay, first we going with Georgy to Walking Street and you wait in cafe.